Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty. And so this was the first thing that was in the package, the solid cream gel, and there's 4 colors. And I don't know what's in here. I did ask for a top and a base coat, so because I don't have one. So let's see what we got here. All right, so yeah, we do have a base coat. All right. Oop, yeah, I like they do package them really good. All right, so we have the base coat. Oh, very nice. Looks like a good consistency, not super thick. No wipe top coat. So yeah, this is the no wipe top coat. Ooh, I like it. All right, so this is the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel, and this is SB14. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. All right, so we have a 9D Cat Magnetic Gel. This is the CM07. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like a silver, but it's got a pink shift to it. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, and then we have a 7 ml jelly nude gel. This is Pt.1. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Oh, I love it. All right, so let me take a look at this here. I don't have any of their cream gel, so I'm excited. This is my first one. And yes, it does come with a little seal on it. Oh, those are pretty. Oh my goodness, this one is, oh, gorgeous. I absolutely love peach. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my swatch sticks ready here, and then we will swatch these. All right, so I've never used their base coat, so I want to go ahead and I always put base coat on my swatch sticks, that way the polish doesn't peel off. Because yeah, I've had that happen before, and so yeah, it's just better to put a base coat, and plus I think the colors come out a little bit smoother. See, I always have little stuff on the swatch sticks even after I wipe them off. I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, look at that. Nice and smooth. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put base coat on all of these swatch sticks, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I got my swatch sticks all base coated, and then I put the labels here. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the Sea Blue Cat Eye. Oh, that's gorgeous. The next one is the 9D Cat Eye. Look at that. Look at that shift. And then we have the Jelly Nude, the JN03. So that's one coat. It's pretty opaque. Doesn't look too jelly, but the color is just, oh, it's gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat of the Cat Eye. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's like it brings out the pink. All right, so I just painted a swatch stick black, and now I'm gonna put the Cat Eye. I'm just gonna do one coat, and then we'll see how the magnet works. Ooh, this looks so pretty on that black. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It looks like galaxy. Do galaxy nails with this. Oh my goodness. How pretty. Magnet here. Oh. Gee, the magnet stuck to the other one. I was like, wait, why is it so light? All right, let's see. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, definitely space nails. Right, so I just applied a second coat since I forgot to use the magnet. I don't know where my brain is today. It's definitely one of those days. Sorry. I don't know what's going on, but okay, let's see. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. How pretty. Ooh, that's super pretty. I love it. Right, so yeah, look at the top coat. How shiny. Oh my goodness. You know what I just noticed? This jelly nude, it's got shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it does have shimmer. Ooh, that's super pretty. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the solid creams. All right, so I don't have any brushes from Born Pretty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this gel brush here. And then I did already base coat the swatch sticks. Never really used the solid cream gels before. Next, I want to try this red. Yeah, like I said, my swatch sticks, I don't know why they have stuff on them. Right, so I'm gonna tell you the kind of day I'm having. I went to stop recording after, you know, I did the last swatch, and my phone fell off the holder here and it broke one of the swatch sticks. It like bent. It didn't break it off all the way. So then I went to put some gel on it, like to hold it. And I put on front and back, and then I go to put it in the light and it stuck to the bottom because I put it on the back, and I should have did the front first, cured it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where my brain is today. All right, now we're gonna go in with this pink here, and I'm gonna make sure to grab quite a bit here. See, there's like stuff on the swatch sticks. I don't know. I'm excited for this one. I love peach. Absolutely love peach. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and top coat these. But yeah, I think they're meant to be sheer kind of jelly colors. But yeah, this, you know what, I think the top coat might have a sparkle to it. I think the top coat has a shimmer, because remember when I said this one had a shimmer, and that was after I put the top coat. So I think this had, yeah, I really like that. It doesn't say, but it has to be. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got shimmer in there. Oh wow, I didn't even notice that. Well, that's cool. There, I took the paper off. Yeah, see, that's got a shimmer, whereas the other bottles are just the plain white. And this has a shimmer. So yeah, it's a shimmery top coat. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and top coated everything. Sorry if it seemed like it was all over the place. Just one of those days, and I don't know. But yeah, look at these. That's the one of the cat eyes there. The sea blue. That real pretty pinkish purple. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then the jelly nude. And like I said, that top coat has a sparkle. The polish doesn't. So you can see here on the back it doesn't have the sparkle. And then we've got the solid cream. Once you put the top coat on, I mean, they look a lot smoother and not as, it was kind of streaky. I don't know, it's probably the brush I have. I don't have a lot of gel brushes. And then this, yeah, like I said, my swatch sticks have, but look at that slight shimmer. How pretty. All right, so these are all the products here. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these amazing products. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I really, really appreciate it. So I'm gonna be doing the set in the next video. I tried to cut the video down as much as I could. So yeah, I didn't want to make the video too long, but yeah, these products are just amazing. Thank you so much. And thanks everyone for watching, commenting. I really appreciate all the love and support. You guys are just so awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.